Chapter 7 Articles A and the. An article is a word that is used before a noun to show whether the noun refers to something specific or not. A and the are articles. A noun, when starts with a vowel sound A, E, I, O, U, we use article an, and in case of a consonant sounds, we use article a. There are two kinds of grammar articles: definite and indefinite. Let's understand with the following examples. Ankit needs a car. Ram wants an apple. Ram wants the red apple. The indefinite article tells us that the noun is neither specific nor clear. In sentences 1 and 2, Ankit and Ram want any car and any apple, not a specific one. The definite article tells us that the noun is specific. In example 3, Ram wants the specific red apple. When we use article an, the words should start with a vowel sound A, E, I, or U. In case of consonant sounds, we use article a. I am a policeman. I am an honest man. Rini is carrying an umbrella. Your sound of honest starts with O. As we sound it as honest, so we say an honest instead of a honest man. Note, in certain words such as unicorn and university, we use article a because the word sounds like a consonant. Let's learn where we use article the. In case of historical monuments, the Red Fort, the Taj Mahal. In case of newspapers, the Times of India, the Hindustan Times. In case of epics, the Bible, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata. In names of families, the Sharmas, the Guptas. The Sharmas live there. In case of trains, the Shatabdi Express, the Rajdhani Express. In case of seas, the Arabian Sea, the Red Sea. For a noun which is mentioned for second time, the teacher helped the student and the student became happy. Before superlative degree and first, second, etc. and only. The best match, the only method, the second year. The is used before some higher posts or designations. The principal, the Prime Minister, the President of India. When we talk about any noun for the first time, we use article a or an. When we repeat the same, we use article the. There is a jungle. I saw a fox. The fox was hungry. Let's learn where we don't use article the. With general words, apples are good for our health. With meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner. I take my lunch at 2 o'clock. With names of churches, St. Paul's Church, St. Peter's Church. In case of possessive nouns, here is my brother's car. With professions, he will probably study medicine, not engineering. With names of shops, restaurants, McDonald's, Harrell's, Haldiram's, Sagar Ratna. With mountain and islands if they are single in number. Mount Everest, Easter Island, Sri Lanka. Dear students, let's revise what we have learned. As we know, we have three articles a, an and the. A and an are used when we talk about a single person, animal, thing and so on. A or an is used when we talk about anything for the first time in a sentence, and we use the for the same word if it is repeated. For example, Beena bought a new frock yesterday. The frock is very pretty. A is basically used before a word that starts with a consonant sound. For example, Raju has a pet dog. A is also used before a vowel if it starts with the sound of a consonant. For example, my sister is a university student. Alex is a European. An is also used before a consonant if it starts with the sound of a vowel. For example, Sheila got an X-ray of her back. My teacher is an MA in English. We use article the before a noun when the noun is specific. We use article the with any noun that represents one particular subject. For example, the sun is bright today. There is only one sun. The president visited our school last month. There is only one current president in our country. Remember, we do not use a or an before plural nouns. For example, I saw a lot of stray dogs on my way. We do not use a or an in case of uncountable nouns. For example, please add sugar in the milk.